So this is a 1970, I don't know what year it is. This is a Clinton. I guess it was sold under the same name as Eska. 1.5 horse. Customer brought it to me, had no spark. Real easy motor to disassemble. This top cowl comes off, and 3 bolts. I guess the standoffs that hold the cover on also act as the cover for the recoil. Took the recoil off, points were dirty, cleaned them up, put a new wire on it because the wire looked kind of flimsy. As soon as I did that, I had spark. The other issue on the bottom of the tank was the fitting for the gas. The gas line was missing. It's a rubber fitting. If anybody wants to get a replacement, they're the same as a Briggs and Stratton motor. As soon as I walked into my small engine shop, they knew exactly what it was. So this is a Tecumseh engine, real easy to start and run. The gent is going to use it on his canoe, so we'll give you a little demo. That's a demo of the Clinton.